Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing power risk. Disconnect the negative battery and wait 2 minutes. This prevents airbag or ECU faults. Next, take out the glove box and lower kick panels to expose fasteners. Use a trim pry to avoid plastic damage. Remove visible 10 mm and 8 mm bolts holding the lower dash. Keep fasteners organized in a labeled tray. Once done, confirm all screws are removed and trim clips popped. This makes the next step of lifting the dash safe and predictable. You now focus on freeing the main assembly. Lower the steering column and remove its lower cover to access hidden bolts. Disconnect HVAC controls and radio connectors. Press tabs and pull straight to avoid breaking plastic terminals, then label connectors as you go. Remove metal support bolts in the footwell and under the glove box. These secure the dash crossmember. Once those supports are out, make sure no wire harnesses remain clipped. This prevents snagging when lifting. Then you're ready to begin the controlled extraction. You and a helper now lift the dash. Grab both sides and pull forward and upward in a smooth, even motion to clear the HVAC ducts and instrument cluster. If clips resist, stop and recheck for hidden screws or connectors. Forcing will break tabs. Disconnect airbags and sensors as the final step, then place the dash on a padded surface to avoid scratches. Once any repairs are done, reinstall in reverse order, reconnect the battery, and test all electronics and airbags before snapping trim back in place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.